Here we go, boys and girls. Another Tesla Model Y 2023 dual motor long range. This thing's got 4,000 kilometers on it. 4,006 and has been crashed by another race car driver. Yep, only the best drivers have these things. So yeah, we have lots of damage here. She's pretty extent. The subframe is damaged. Front's all busted up. Corner, unfortunately, is suspension support is damaged. No, very little damage to the doors or anything else. Windshield's not broken, but the beautiful thing in the side of this car is a real special treat. They had some kind of sweet drink or something that they crashed, spilled, and made a nice mold experiment. Beautiful. Yeah, that's gonna be so nice to clean that out. Yeah, there's the culprit right there. Yeah, isn't that special? Mold City. Not looking forward to taking this one apart, I can tell you that much. Anyways, here's another cool thing. That rim broken off. Tire's flat. Look at this rim. Most of the rim is completely busted off all the way around this thing. And yet this tire is still holding full air pressure. I don't know how the hell, but it is holding all its air. That's pretty incredible. Looks like it's ready to blow off of there. Nothing holding the bead on. So yeah, once we dig into this guy and see what kind of a grocery list we need here, we'll post some more instruction as we tear this thing apart, and we'll see what we need. Yeah, car doesn't have any dust on it. It's absolutely spotless inside. Inside the wheels, everywhere. Not a speck of dirt anywhere inside this car. I had no mileage on it when they crashed it, so. Anyway, stay tuned. There we go, half an hour later. Got this, all the damaged stuff stripped off the front end. Everything is broken and bent and twisted and mangled. There's a few pieces. Couple pieces that refuse to come off. We have a little bit of front structure damage here, which is pretty rare, but yeah, let's crinkle up. But we do have a new section to replace this. Everything else is perfectly intact. Got some twisted suspension components for sure. I've never seen a sway bar get wrapped up around a tie rod and then the tie rod wrapped down around the sway bar. It's interesting. Subframe is definitely damaged. It's bent out of the bottom down there. But yeah, replacing sparks there. Strut's bent. 4,000 kilometers on this thing. What a waste. Anyways, and of course, they wrote it off. 4,000 kilometers. Car's not worth nothing to fix, I guess. Anyways, we'll get back to you as this thing progresses.